In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from TD Bank to PayPal. First, we need to link your TD Bank account to PayPal. You can do this by opening the app or website and going to the Wallet menu, which you can find either at the top or bottom of the website. Once you tap on Wallet, you should see the option to add banks and cards. Tap the plus sign next to either option, and you'll have the choice to add your TD Bank account directly or link a credit or debit card. I'm going to select Banks, and you'll be redirected to a website where you can finish linking your bank. If you don't see the prompt I showed on screen, you can simply follow the instructions on the app to finish linking your TD Bank account to PayPal. Once your account is linked, you'll be able to transfer money from TD Bank to your PayPal balance. Simply tap on your balance in the app, and you will see the option to add money at the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Money, input the amount you want to transfer, and select the TD Bank account you just linked. As long as your account is verified and properly linked, the transfer will go through and you'll see the funds in your PayPal balance immediately. If you are doing this through the website, as long as your TD Bank account is linked, tap the Add Money button when you select Transfer Money on your wallet page. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.